So I'm working on a Hyundai Tiburon today, and I guess everyone's still driving these and keeping them running. We're going to be replacing the trunk latch today. We have to get this plastic paneling off. It is covered. The trunk latch will be covered. So there are these hidden spots where there are these Phillip head screws. There's one underneath this handle here. I'll just take that out. And then there's one here underneath this slot. And then there are two, you always find the hidden ones. There are two on these clips that hold the privacy shade on the rear cover. There's one and two. And a lot of times you can then just start pulling down on the plastic. I would use a plastic pry tool if you have it, but if you use metal, just make sure you cover that with some tape. I think the best idea would be to take off all of the plastics. You'll start here and work your way all the way around. Sometimes there's a hidden screw underneath this one, but that you'll see that starts getting the larger panel off. And my mic's not on. So let's see. There we go. We're getting there. Okay, so that is, if any of these clips break or get stuck in there, you'll just replace them. So we have three 10mm bolts that hold the latch on, and we're just going to take those off. And I think from what I remember with this latch, we have to loosen the lock cylinder. We'll use a deep socket to release the lock cylinder. There's two nuts in there, and then that will loosen the latch from, I think that comes out when you get the latch kind of out, and then you'll just disconnect it. The actuator is plugged in there, and then the other electrical plug is here. Actually, no, it's on the wiring harness. Maybe don't leave it hanging when you take it off. So yeah, so the plug, the other electrical plug comes there, and it's mounted with that clip. So just unplug that, latch comes out, and I think you'll see it once you get in to do the job, like how it works. So I'll have the OEM part number in the description, as well as a link to eBay. We'll see you next time.